Chief Bitcoin in the house. Okay, so at the end of this, we're going to be talking about this three-time world Forex champion, Toshko Raychev. Okay, so we're going to talk about him after we talk about the Great British Pound against the Japanese yen. Okay, so anyways, you can follow his signals exactly as he does them. Like, he'll send you an email, and look down into the description area there. You'll find a link, and it's to the website where you can get all of his signals, and he's going to give you his system away for free if you sign up for 1 year. Okay, anyways, well, let's get started here. Okay, so here's the British pound against the Japanese yen. And you can see this is the 15-minute chart. And okay, the price is $1.57, 157.263. Okay, you can see down there. Okay, and this is the 15-minute chart. So since this is about ready to come over here, it's going to curl up. This is already curling up because this is it's hot right now. It's going up fast. So everything is telling me, because you can look at the weekly here. Look at this. This is the weekly now. I press the weekly, you can see there. And the weekly is just about ready to come up here. Okay? So, and you can see in anticipation of that, this has gone up there quite a bit. So I think that this, and you have to find an entry point. Okay, a good entry point, because you can see here's the top here where it went up and it come down. Okay, so you know, you gotta ease into it somehow. This is gonna go up, so price action should go up quite a bit, but you've got to know when to get out of the trade. Okay, so that's the tricky part. So I think that it's so that's the weekly. Let's go to the daily. Okay, so here's the daily. This is the 1 day chart, and you can see it's really taking off. It did this W, and then boom. So that worked out really well, and you can see there's the bottom of that W, and it's a little bit higher there, and then it takes off there. So it's just classic W pattern, and you can see that it came down to here, you know, came down to that red line there, this red line, bounces on it basically and up. So that red line is a 200 moving average, by the way. And so, I mean, you've got to find the proper entry point, because this, you know, it could keep going up, but it could also do a correction and then up. So you got to find the proper entry point. Now that's tricky, so you would probably go at least down to the 15-minute, and it looks like there's an entry point right now. Okay, on the 15-minute. Let's look at the 30-minute. Okay, so that's what the 30-minute looks like. And you've got two greens there, you've got a light pink there. This might cross over that way. So still looks relatively strong there. Let's go to the 2 day. Okay, so there's the 2 day. So it's got lots of room to go up there. You know, up there, and then who knows what's going to happen in the future. But, the key is to make sure that you know when to get out of the trade. So this is the 3-day. You can see. Let's check out the 4-day. These are really important. A lot of people don't look at the 2-day or the 3-day or the 4-day. Look at the 4-day. You can see this was just curling up over here, down here at the bottom, you can see. Okay, so it's just curling up there, and this is just taking off there. That's a good sign. So that as this goes up here, price action is going to continue going up, most likely. But I mean, that's my analysis of the British pound against the Japanese yen. So that's just me, okay? And I don't think that I'm really that. I'm better at stocks and crypto than than Forex, and that's why I think that if you want to get really good at this, now I think you should take this here, and this guy will send you his signals by email whenever he makes a trade, and you can see he's the 3-time world Forex champion, Toshko Raychev. Okay, so I think that you should consider taking this thing where he's going to send you the signals, but he's also going to teach you his system. So you'll know his system as well. And I want you to watch this video here. Just go down into the description box, click the link down there, and then watch this, and you'll see. Look at here. End your losses forever with an actual $21,737.29 per week profit generator and a 94.4% win rate. So these guys will get you between like 90 and 96% win rate, basically. Okay, let's read this. In case you were doing the math, that's $86,949.15 in monthly income. I've got the actual live trading statement, and I'm going to prove to you that you could throw away all your signal service and your trading system and harness this insane earning power for yourself. So you're going to be basically copying the trades of the 3-time world champion. Okay, so hi, it's Jesse at Tradeology, and today you can probably tell is going to be different. And I don't just mean that I'm about to show you something amazing, something that has created $173,898.30 in wealth in less than 8 weeks, and another $166,000 in gross profit in only 12 short days. Okay, so you can see here he's got 95% and 94% win rate there, and this is, you can see here, this is the profit. Okay, something that allows a regular home trader with zero experience and zero available time to trade with the exact same setups and the exact same flexibility as the 3-time world Forex trading champion for profits like these. So you can, I will encourage you to watch this, this video here. So click the link down there, and it'll open up the web page, and you'll be able to click on these links. And I'm just going to read what it says, but it goes into more detail for you in the videos. Like I said, amazing, right? So you will see exactly how home traders can now trade side by side with one of the greatest traders Forex has ever seen, and match him move for move and pip for pip in real time. Okay, so that's fantastic. But I'm also here to debunk one of the biggest myths in trading and show you why signals, even really good ones, lie to you. Okay, maybe they don't actually lie, but they sure don't tell you the whole truth. And what those signals leave out is deadly to your profits and your account. So keep reading, and I'll show you why technology has been failing you and what you can do to short circuit your losses and trade with all confidence and expertise of a professional, because you're going to be taking the same trades as the three-time world champion, okay, without having to learn almost anything at all. First, you need to understand one important truth. Your failure to make real money from trading is not your fault. First, I'm going to demonstrate for you in just a couple of minutes why there is no robot, no system, no signal in the world that can just plunk money into your account. And I'll also show you what could fill your account with pips and cold hard cash and has a 96% success rate doing it too. It's called Trade Command Center. Okay, so that's the name of this whole thing, where they send you the emails telling you when, the three-time world champion is going to make a trade, and then you can make the trade as well at the same time as him, and then they email you when to get out of the trade. Okay, so because it is a living, breathing, trading brain, the ability to be inside the head of a world champion trader while he trades and follows his moves step for step in your own account. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm just so excited to show you what is possible. First, I'll explain why signals lie and how your failure isn't yours at all. You didn't fail at anything. Your technology failed you. Okay, so now before you worry what I'm about to leap into some long drawn out story that has nothing to do with you, let me put your fears to rest, because I'm going to show you in just 3 steps how technology fails traders, and then blow your mind with how Trade Command Center is making 90 to 96% actual winning trades across the board. Stick with me for the next couple of minutes, and I'll explain. So this champion trader can get you 90 to 96% winning percentage. Okay, so a lot of traders will tell you they only need a 40% win rate to make a profit, okay, because some of them, they go for really long trades, and some of their trades are just huge. Okay, this guy will get you 90 to 96%, so he's really accurate. And you got to cut your losses quickly, right, so that you're always making lots of profit and hardly losing anything, because you're cutting your losses quickly. Okay, signal services seem like a fantastic idea. You get confirmed trade entries and exits, so you don't have to spend hours researching and doing complex calculations to catch a wave. And AI is great for a lot of things. Algorithms can be programmed to scan for signals, to calculate entry and exit points, and even tell you how much you can safely risk. They can dump terabytes of data in your lap hourly. You know what AI can't do? Be flexible and adjust to rapidly changing conditions. In short, software cannot effectively manage your trade for you. But you know what? A 3-time world champion can effectively manage your trades. You can follow his trades, whichever ones you want to follow. Why? Because an algorithm can only do what it's programmed to do. Provide data and maybe filter it by 1 or 2 levels. That's it. That's great. If price runs in a nice, fairly straight line between point A and point B, but what happens in between those automated in and out signals? Often a lot. Okay, so there's a lot going to be happening in this area. It could be going up, it could be going down. You don't know what it might be doing. Because it's in that blank space between your entry and exit that you lose money if you don't practice good trade management, which means by the time you get to point B, it's moved far below your safety net and cost you a lot of cash you just cannot afford to lose. Because here's what the average trade really looks like. Now you can watch this. Now I want you to go click the button down there and start watching these videos, because they go really in depth and really explain this type of stuff. Okay, so there's the button there. Okay, so all the area you don't act is where the trade flash crashes. It bottoms you out with huge loss. Okay, so, or where the profits are so good that you should have added a second position and doubled down to double your income. But your fancy expensive signal service can't tell you all of that. It can't show you where to adjust your stop loss or double your profit potential. But the 3-time champion can do this for you. Okay, it's way better because it's not for what it's programmed to do. The same goes for most trading systems. They look really good on a chart, but unless you understand what all those indicators mean, you're right back to square one, researching, calculating, and confirming it all for yourself. And still nothing is showing you exactly how to manage your trades to maximize your profit and minimize your risk. Like I said, you didn't fail, your technology failed you. Because whether you're trading signals or 18 layers of indicators, you lack 3 things you must have to become a successful, wealthy trader: flexibility, speed, and expertise. And that's what this 3-time world champion has, okay? Now this is where things get good, really good for you. Because Trade Command Center, the same solution that I showed you earlier, the one that made 173,000 in almost no time, the one that is killing it with a 96% win rate, provides all 3 key elements, especially the expertise, because he's a 3-time world champion. So that you don't have to do anything but open an email and copy and paste a level to trade exactly step for step, pip for pip, like a 3-time world champion trader. So you're going to copy his trades. Because you'll be able to follow his actual personal live trades in real time and manage them exactly the way he does, not because some piece of software is going to show you how to think like him, but because he will be giving you unprecedented access to his trades and all of his trade management live in real time. So that's really fantastic. By emailing you every level, entry, exit, and trade management move directly to your inbox as they happen, so you were only ever a click away from a 96% high probability trade. That's why we call it Trade Command Center. So here's the guy here, this picture, and that's why the only trader we could partner with who has the expertise and discipline to lead you into profit is 3-time world Forex champion Toshko Raychev. So he really knows what he's doing. In order to be the 3-time world champion, you got to know what you're doing. I'll tell you more about Toshko in a few. First, let's have him show you how it's done. So I want you to watch this. This is another one here. Okay, and that'll be him, I guess, talking up there. One of those men. Okay, so you don't have to watch your charts all day long, afraid to take your eyeballs off your trades, because Toshko alerts you when he sees a shift or an opportunity to expand your position. And then he shows you the exact levels he adjusted so you can adjust yours too. Okay, so here's the command center. Trade Command Center gives you the best of both worlds: real-time confirmed signals generated by Toshko's personal software, plus the data evaluation and expertise of Toshko himself, trading live. So it's all going to be trading live, and he's going to be using his software, but he's using his own expertise as well. Okay, you get the raw computing power of a cloud-based trading solution that filters every trade, combined with the seasoned step-by-step moves of a champion professional trader, all live in real time. So you get the ultimate in data filtration plus super simple copy and paste levels, so you can take any trade in seconds. And you can do so with the confidence that everything you see is confirmed and evaluated by Toshko himself. And here's why that matters. Not only is he pulling an outrageous 96% win rate with TCC trades, historically the man just wins at virtually everything he does. Because he's smart. Okay. The first time he was crowned World Surefire Forex Trading Champion, he did it with a 651% profit in a single week of trading. 651%, so that's a lot, okay? And he came back to finish at the top twice more, so okay. So you can see he's really good at it, okay? Over 80,000 people worldwide follow his moves on social media. Okay, so, and he's worked with more than 5,000 people to help them trade like he does. Here's just some of what his trading students have to say. I closed 2 trades this morning before work for 100 plus pips, and I'm currently in a trade on the Euro Australian dollar, which is up about 35 pips as I'm typing this, and has been up as much as 85 pips. This is unreal. For the first time in my trading life, I feel like I have the right set of Forex tools to be successful. It gives me the confidence to stay in the trades if and when they move against me. As we speak, I'm closing in on 250 pips this week. Unbelievable. Okay, so next one. I made myself $2,800 USD after 2 hours of plug-in, no BS, it really works. So he's going to be sending you emails of what he's trading, and he's good at it. Okay, next one. I'm a newbie in the Forex market, but you made a system that is so simple to follow. Anyone with a brain can do this. I am a stay-at-home mom caring for my newborn. My husband does not believe you can really make money in the Forex market, but yesterday that all changed when I showed him my account made $778 overnight. This is awesome. Next one. I am blown away with the results I'm getting. Today I won 8 trades, 1,000. Okay, a lot of money there. Okay, looks like maybe 1,700. It's supposed to be $1,700. I'm not too sure. Okay, I highly recommend your trading systems to any trader who want to make real money trading. My father told me that people who have real knowledge make things easy to improve others' knowledge level. This is what your system are about. Okay, so even with all that, the guy finds time to be in incredible physical shape as the director for the International Karate Alliance. So this is him. He's the director of the International Karate Alliance. It's great. So when I tell you Toshko is the only person we could have partnered with for such an amazing set of tools, I mean it. Okay, so here's another video. Okay, so I want you to go down, press the link, and watch the videos, because the videos are more in-depth than just what I'm reading. See what I mean? Anyone can throw data at you and walk away, but Toshko goes farther, making sense of what you're seeing and telling you exactly how to trade it like he does. You will never see a setup on Trade Command Center that Toshko has not personally verified and confirmed. That's really good. And if the market shifts, Toshko is right there with full comments on the trades to show you how to refine your position or get out fast so you make more money and keep more of it. So he's going to have comments there and everything, okay? And then he takes it to the next level by sending all those moves directly to your inbox. So you are alerted in real time to every move he makes. That's fantastic. Because that's the name of the game. You want to follow the world champion, his every move. And the fastest way to that money isn't to burden you with months of education and trial and error while you figure it out. The fastest, simplest way to get you to the money is to do all that for you and provide you with expertly confirmed signals, filtered data, entries, exits, and more. So all you need to do is point and click, copy and paste to take a trade that is 96% more likely to make you money than any setup you've ever seen before. And that's only the beginning. Remember how I promised you a peek inside that insane 173,000 live statement? I'm going to walk you through the important parts right now, and then I'm going to show you exactly how we did it. This is Toshko's actual real account statement. Nothing has been changed. If you started with a small $1,500 account and Toshko's 96% win rate, you could double your money in under 30 days. Okay? Taking just 2 trades a day with a conservative 2% risk profile. So that's good. If you could double your money in under 30 days, that would be really good. Okay, so here's all of his trades here. In a 7-week period, Toshko took 36 trades. He won 34 of those trades for an average profit per trade of $5,629.50. He won 23 consecutive trades that made him over $117,000 and took only 2 losses. Okay, so that's really good. So here's another video here. So just click that button down there and then watch the video. It just adds more in-depth stuff for you to look into. Okay, and below you will see how in just 12 days trading, Toshko took 40 trades. He profited by $166,142.82 with an average $4,615.08 per trade. And when you look closely, you'll see he won 36 trades. That's a 90% win rate if you're counting, with 14 consecutive wins for $75,986, and a gross profit of $166,000. That's a gain of 725%. Okay, so that's huge. And here's some more statements here. He did it all with rock solid confirmations that Power Trade Command Center. So you will have full access to the same confirmed signals, the same news, the same setups and levels he uses to make all that money. Plus you'll have access to Toshko and all his live trading moves in real time. Trade Command Center updates every 15 minutes, so you get the freshest information possible, and whenever Toshko refines a position, you will see his changes and comments live inside the members area. So it's just live, completely live. Whenever he changes anything, you'll see it. Here, let me show you what I mean. Okay, anyways, here's another video, and that explains it even better and shows how it all works. So hit that button down in the description box there, and then start watching the videos. Okay, so here let me show you what I mean. First, you get the filtered data in an easy to read and use table that provides instant entries, exits, and risk to reward ratios in a single click. Okay, and if you want to see how it's all confirmed, you can see that too. So hang on to your hat while I show you everything. And it's simplest. All you have to do is copy and paste the levels from Toshko's own active charts to trade live with him and his championship expertise. So you want to follow his every move. The second click provides you with Toshko's own active trading chart, including his personal instructions and recommendations on how to read the data for a successful trade. When you scroll down the page, you also see a stunningly simple dashboard that shows you in real time and full color the live meters, confirming volume, volatility, and overall trend for each of the major pairs. There's a total of 26 phased gauges tracking it all right on your screen. So these are some of the gauges that they're going to have for you. Okay, so looking good. And as you see, that little icon in the corner, that is your live chat window where you can talk to Toshko and his live team in real time via Facebook Messenger. Okay, so just check it out here. Go to the website. Toshko is on call to answer your questions, help you dial in your positions, and show you how to get in, get out, get all the money you can. Here's how it works in real time. Okay, so you can watch it on video here. I suggest you watch it. Just click on the link below and you can watch it. Okay. Did you see him scroll down to the economic calendar and news? So that's part of it. They got an economic calendar there for you. They are yet another layer of safety Toshko and TCC provide you, giving you not only the standard major economic news and breaking news, but also the curated news feeds for each major geographic market. Okay, so here's where the economic calendar would be. So you get everything from high impact trading news from the Fed to Elon Musk's latest market moving tweet in one smooth and easy to read interface. It's easy to see how home traders from all over are reaping the rewards of trading live with Toshko and Trade Command Center in just seconds. So Toshko, remember, is a 3-time world champion, shaving mountains of time and stress off their trading careers while adding zeros to their accounts fast. How fast? Let me show you. Okay, so check out this video here. Just go down, hit the link down there, and start watching the videos. If you start with a small $1,500 account and Toshko's 94.4% win rate, you could double your money in under 30 days, taking just 2 trades a day with a conservative 2% risk profile. That's good. Double your money in 30 days? Fantastic. If you kept your earnings in the market and used the power of compounding to keep building your account, your $1,500 profit could double again even faster, meaning you could easily pull $1,500 in pure profit from the market on a weekly basis, even if you have very little capital to start, because you're going to be trading with the world champion. You're going to be following his every move. I don't know about you, but $1,500 a week in extra income would come in very handy right now, not to mention what adding $1,500 a week to your savings could do for your retirement nest egg. Fantastic. That's why I'm so excited, because now, for the very first time ever, you can have Trade Command Center for your home use at an incredible introductory price. Toshko's time normally costs $1,000 per hour, so although you'll get many hours of his time, we'll agree to value it at a single hour, so a $1,000 value. Okay. Subscription to his live trades and signals has never been available before, but a subscription to the basic TCC signals will run you $99 per month. That's $1,200 annually after this introductory offer ends. So this stuff is free. Okay. It's the price is $499, so almost $500. So you get a whole bunch of stuff for free. Add in the step-by-step levels, risk calculation, trading commentary, and that's another $2,000 easily, which brings TCC to a total of $4,200 in live coaching and tools. Okay, so you're going to get all of this for $499. Okay. Plus amazing live chat with Toshko and his team via Facebook Messenger, which is honestly priceless, but we can call it another $1,000 value. However, because you accepted our VIP invitation and are watching this video today, you can have immediate TCC access, including immediate access to Toshko's personal signals, his live trades, including every level with rock solid confirmation of a 94.4 more profitable trade. So you get all of it for $499. Now think about how much you spend on trading in Forex and then you end up losing. You know, have you lost thousands and thousands of dollars in trading Forex? Tens of thousands, hundreds, some people hundreds of thousands. Well, you can follow the trades of the 3-time world champion. Okay, so read the rest of this, you know, and one of the things is he actually tells you his system. He's going to show you his exact system. Okay, so but wait, there's more. If you take advantage of this insane introductory offer, Toshko is also handing you his championship winning surefire system, the one with the 651% profit in a single week. Another $1,500 value completely free. So you get his whole system. So like if he, God forbid, passed away, well, at least he got his system. You still know how to use his system, which is the world champion system. Consider it your thank you gift from the champ himself. The system that made him champion is yours for zero cost. So you get the system for free. Fantastic. That brings the full value of everything in the TCC bundle to about $8,700, and you get it all for just $499. So, you know, if you want to check out all the videos, just go down into the description box there, down below the video, and there'll be a link there. Click on the link. Check out all the videos, you know, every single one of them, including the one at the top there, this first one, and make a decision for yourself. I think that it's a great deal. $499, you get his signals for a year. He sends them straight to your inbox. He gives you his system for free. And I just think it's a really good offer. So if you want to go for it, go for it. You know, it's up to you. And I want everybody to have a fantastic day.